So, hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So, I would like to share a nice, very simple remedy to repair your mood. Right? So, people are not in a very good mood nowadays because they are going through a lot of this COVID time. They're going through money issues. They are sitting at home, working from home, all the time at home, no party, no social life, right? So I want to speak something about mood. Why? Because it really affects how you work, how you conduct your everyday life, right? So you could be feeling low, depressed. So what to do? Well, we can use colors, right? Colors is a very good way to repair our mood, right? How do you do that? Suppose I am feeling very very low. Suppose I'm feeling very depressed, I'm feeling low, just there's no major reason, but I'm just going through a low phase right now, right? It could be a PMS time, it could be just a very low phase where I'm all the time sitting at home, or maybe I'm not feeling good about what is happening in the world, or maybe I have a lot of stress. So what do? I want to lift up my energy. Why? Because that energy might get me some fire inside me, make me feel energetic. So what do? I will use the color red. Red is a very good color. Red is a color of personal power. It's a color of some kind of a fiery energy inside of me. So what I do is I start wearing red, or I will keep a handkerchief or a paper in my wallet next to me or under my pillow, red color. That will actually get, I will start absorbing the red color, so that my low time, when I'm feeling low, I might start feeling a little energetic. Okay. See, the other way to get you into a good mood is, what you do is you take a glass bottle, just a glass bottle, not a plastic bottle. Okay, take a glass bottle, you paint it red, or you get a colored bottle. Nowadays you do get online also, that's available. You get a colored bottle which is red color, and you fill water with it, and you keep it in the sun, like I've mentioned about sun water and moon water. You keep it in the sun, let that red energy be absorbed in the water, and every day you can add it to your food, to your drink, to everything except for alcohol. You can add it in every way and drink that water every day. You will start seeing the difference in your life, right? Suppose I need a lot of healing, okay, and my mood is, my health is not doing well, or maybe there's some kind of negativity inside me. I will use the color green. Green is a good color for healing, right? So these are the ways you can use colors according to your mood and according to what resonates with you. Okay, I want to open my third eye and I want to connect spiritually, so I will use purple. Okay, I want to balance my solar plex, and I want that control issue from my life to go away, so I will use a lot of yellow. I want to be more creative. I have a creative block right now, and I want to you know open my creativity. I will use orange. So these are the ways you can actually change your energy and change your aura and change your mood, and open a lot of blocks in your life, right? So what you're going to do is, one more thing that I will mention is, people who always ask me how to heal their chakras. It's a very simple way. You take again a glass bottle. Okay, now the first color that you will paint on the bottle is red or maroon, right? Maroon is better for root chakra. Maroon, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then purple, and then white. Here you have all your 7 chakras on that bottle. You'll fill the bottle with water, drinking water, and you will keep it in the sun. You either keep it in the sunlight or moonlight. Sun I will prefer, because sun is more of a, sun energy is more of a lifting and a fiery energy. Yeah. So you'll keep it in the sun and then use that water every day for drinking. Isn't that wonderful? That's a very simple way to unblock your chakras. Okay. It will not only just unblock your chakras, but it will also elevate your energy. Because if we are feeling low and we are too stressed about this time that is going on, this is one of the very simple ways you can change the way you are from inside, and everything else changes by its own. So this is one very simple remedy that you can use in your everyday life. Just go and buy glass bottles. If you have at home, that's fine. You can just paint it, or buy the colored ones, which is easily available on Amazon or anywhere. Best is to get color at home only, because that is more simpler, and Use it in this way. Any color that you connect with. Suppose I want to open my heart chakra and I want to make separate bottle for that. So I will color it pink and then put drinking water in it and charge it with the sun for few hours and then start drinking. Isn't it good? Morning if you keep, whatever time you get up, till evening, till the sun down, and then take it and then start using it. It's very good way of creating good energy within you. Okay, so I'll come soon. I know it's been a long time since I made my videos. I'll be coming with more, and that's all. Bye bye. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye.